Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer Villaros. I'm with my co-reporter, Miss Giselme Velasco. Our assigned topic is about appropriate fisheries management intervention. What is fisheries management? It is often seen as a solution of tragedies of the commons, where the lack of exclusive property rights means that the fish stocks are likely to overfish and capital and labor are used wastefully. And the other, this reason government must be intervened. Ano ba yung tragedies of commons? Ito yung usually na pag-uugali ng mga fisher folks natin, no? Kuha lang sila ng harvest sila ng harvest ng mga fish stocks natin without knowing na pwede yung magiging sanhi ng pagkakaubos ng mga fish stocks natin or exploitations of our brood stocks. Quota system under Code of RA 8550, Section 8, Catch Ceiling Limitations. Ano ba yung catch ceiling limitation? Ito yung section na naga-impose sa limit on the amount of the fish that can be caught by commercial fishing vessels para ma-ensure ang sustainable fisheries management and para ma-prevent ang overfishing. Closed season under the Code of 8550, Section 9, Establishment of the Closed Season. Ito yung a period during the fishing activities are prohibited in specific area or a certain species of fish para ma-protect natin ang marine resources during sa kanilang breeding or spawning period. Size and catch limit under the Code of 8550, Section 86. It shall be unlawful for any person to capture or gather or to cause the capture of gathering of fish, fry, or fingerlings of any fishery species or fishery product without license or permit from department or LGU. And size and catch limit, these regulations aim to protect and conserve the population of the fish by ensuring that the fingerlings allowed to grow a certain size before being exported. License under the Code of 8550, Section 16, jurisdictions of municipal city governments. License, no, ito yung pagkukuha ng license sa type of activities or business na require of license or a permit. A process of applying on and obtaining license or permit. And also specific requirements or conditions na dapat ma-meet para qualify ka for that license. And we have duration and renewal. Once na mag-expired na yung license natin, i-renew natin ulit. Marine Protected Area. A Marine Protected Area or MPA is any specific marine area that has been reserved by law or other effective means that is governed by specific rules or guidelines to manage activities and protect the entire or part of the enclosed coastal and marine environment. We have here the marine protected areas, no? Usong Buong, Bongo Fish Sanctuary and Marine Reserve, Bacod Reef, Tablo Reef, Ayala San Ramon Tourism and Marine Reserve, Potiao River to Malbog River, Kabugawan Marine Protected Area, Buluagan River to Lagorom River, Cabong Reef MPA, Zamboanga City, Escos.
So let's continue the discussion about appropriate fisheries management intervention. So I have here Marine Reserve, also known as no-take marine protected areas. So ibig sabihin, bawal kang manira or kumuha na kahit anumang mahalagang bagay na nakabilong doon like cultural or natural resources man yan kasi it is strictly prohibited. So kapag nilabag mo yun, ang policy na yun na yung no take is may kaharapin kang consequences. So next we have marine sanctuary. These serve as a special protection for important marine ecosystem, also choosing to safeguard and preserve biodiversity and ecological balance of the marine environment, and serve also as breeding and feeding ground for endangered creatures like whale. So like sa marine reserve, etong marine sanctuary is may no-take zone policy din siya. Next, we have marine park. Nakadesenyo ito para protektahan ang lupa na naabot ng tides. At nag-conserve din ito sa ating natural resources environment. A natural marine environment rather, it is protecting the variety of habitats such as mangrove, wetlands, seagrasses, beaches, and many more. Next, we have artificial reef. So, alam naman natin what is artificial, diba? So, basically, it is human-made reef that replicate the natural features of natural reef to provide space where different fishes with different sizes seek their shelters. So next we have rehabilitation resources. So alam naman natin what is rehabilitation, diba? So rehabilitation naman so ito yung proseso kung saan restoring and improving the condition of ecosystem was provided. So ito yung mag-take ng action to address degradation or damage na nangyayari para maibalik ang healthy condition ng ating ecosystem. So we have here stock enhancement and sea ranching. So these two are related methods of using aquaculture to improve productivity and sustainability of marine fisheries. So first, ano ba tong stock enhancement? So stock enhancement known as stocking of hatchery-grown fish into the wild. So isa to siya sa mga strategies ng fisheries management that aim to increasing and supplementing and restoring natural fish population. So next, sea ranching naman. So sea ranching, also known as stock enhancement. Ito yung pag-release ng mga juvenile fish sa marine ecosystem. Kasi yung mga juvenile na inalagaan doon sa hatchery is nakadepende yung pagkain nila sa natural na pagkain para they will grow